Hi, Hope. Hi. Can I have a hug? I love you. Oh, I know. I was seeing your Hope art. I'm sorry I was stepping on it. I love my kid. Mommy loves you so much. You want to take some more pictures? No? Careful. Hey. You want the leaves to fall again, huh? There you go. It's a couple. Leaves. Be nice to the tree. I love you.